Bluehost offers a variety of hosting plans to cater to different website needs. Here's an overview of their current offerings. 1. Online store hosting. Tailored for e-commerce businesses, Bluehost's online store plans provide essential tools and features to establish a successful online shop. These plans include a free domain for the first year, SSL certificates, and access to various e-commerce plugins. Pricing starts at $9.95 per month for a 12-month term, renewing at $24.95 per month. 2. Shared hosting. Ideal for personal blogs and small businesses, Bluehost's shared hosting plans offer an affordable way to get online. The basic plan supports one website with 10 GB SSD storage, starting at $2.95 per month for a 12-month term, renewing at $10.99 per month. For those needing to host multiple sites, the Choice Plus plan allows up to 50 websites with 50 GB NVMe storage, starting at $3.95 per month for a 12-month term, renewing at $19.99 per month. 3. VPS hosting. For websites requiring more power and flexibility, Bluehost's Virtual Private Server, VPS, hosting offers dedicated resources. The standard NVMe 4 plan includes 2 GB RAM, 1 TB bandwidth, and 1 IP address. Pricing details are available on Bluehost's website. 4. Dedicated hosting. For maximum performance and control, Bluehost's dedicated hosting provides an entire server exclusively for your website. The standard plan offers 4 GB RAM, 5 TB bandwidth, and 3 IP addresses. Specific pricing details can be found on Bluehost's website. 5. Cloud hosting. Bluehost's cloud hosting solutions are designed for high-traffic websites requiring reliability and scalability. The Cloud One plan supports one website with 10 GB SSD storage and guarantees 100% network uptime. For the most current pricing and plan details, please visit Bluehost's website. For the most up-to-date information and exclusive discounts, refer to the link provided in the description of this video.